goreng kemasan 2 liter naik menjadi Rp35.000 dari sebelumnya Rp31.000.
Para pedagang di pasar tradisional mengeluh harga minyak goreng terus naik.
Liternya berapa minyak?
24.000. Harga minyak goreng sudah 4 bulan, tidak ada penjelasan apa-apa.
Indonesia is a country that has a huge palm forest and also the biggest producer of palm oil. Then why? And how can the biggest producer of palm oil suddenly have a palm oil crisis that makes the oil so rare and pricey? So here, we are trying to discuss what makes the cooking oil rare and why the price is rising.
The scarcity factor in society is influenced by several things such as the limiting producer factor distribution to the community so that the given supply has little, while the needs of the community are greater than the supply that has been distributed. So this causes some problem when everyone needs the cooking oil but there is no or just little cooking oil provided from the distributor. And if there is cooking oil, the price is so high because of the factor of supply and demand. So here are some theories. When the supply is provided is enough or more than enough, then the demand, the price will cost normal or even cheap. And if the demand is higher than the supply, the price will cost more than normal. Like when you live in the mountain, the price of vegetable will be cheap and the price of fish from the sea is more expensive than when you live at the seaside.
There are individuals or oknum who hoard goods or restrict producer from distributing the cooking oil to the public so that the stock for the community is reduced, making the goods expensive and making it difficult for the SME such as trade craftsmen. So this individual make money illegally because they exploit the factors supply demands when the supply is not enough in the community and get more profit from the price rising when actually the supply is more than enough. The Director General of Domestic Trade at the Ministry of Trade, Okinaran, explained it. The first factor causing the price of cooking oil increase is the decline in the supply of cooking oil raw materials. The second factor is the energy crisis in several countries. China, India, and some countries in Central Europe are experiencing this. The third factor is that most of the cooking oil producers in Indonesia are not affiliated with CPO producing palm in plantation, so that cooking oil producers depend on global CPO price. Cooking oil producer only exist in a few areas, while the distribution process for cooking oil is carried out to various regions. There is a panic buying phenomenon where residents flock to buy oil supplies in the market. So when the people really need the cooking oil, they can get it because the residents buy a lot of cooking oil more than they need in 1 month.
So with these problems, what steps can be taken to overcome the problem with all facts that we already know now? Then, what are the government's steps in dealing with the problems that are currently befalling Indonesia? The government has officially imposed a subsidy on the cooking oil packaging and has only decided to subsidize bulk cooking oil of Rp14,000 per liter. And the government prohibited the export to cooking oil raw material until the specific time. It's when the availability of cooking oil in Indonesia will improve. One of the well-known figures in the government, Megawati, gives advice to the people, especially housewives, to ask cooking method other than frying to save money, such as steaming, baking, and boiling. And we can also make cooking oil by ourselves from coconut milk if you have the ingredients.
The problem of rising price and scarcity of cooking oil seems to have greatly affected people's life. There are many factors that cause price increases and the scarcity of cooking oil, But there are also solutions to overcome this problem.
No,
No
fried,
fried,
not
not
Indonesian.
Indonesian.